How bad would it actually be to put your CPU sticker on your CPU, like in this Reddit post? Well, there's only one way to find out, and while it's common to put stickers on your PC, it's far less common to put those stickers directly on the CPU. So to see just how this affects performance, we'll go ahead and slap it on the CPU with some thermal paste and the cooler right on top. And with that, we can power on the PC and measure the CPU temperature with this middle line graph, which under load immediately jumps to 96 degrees Celsius just like that. That's much quicker and much hotter than you would anticipate the CPU to get under that circumstance, which does make sense if you think that stickers are usually made from vinyl, and vinyl's thermal conductivity is very poor, so this is just kind of insulating heat right on the spot on the CPU, which like produces the most heat. So yeah, definitely don't do this in your PC.